Welcome back. In this video, we're going to work with your cover. And if you come into your Kindle book details and you come to the point where you have already named your title, what you're going to do is you're going to come to create your cover. Now you're going to notice that there's one that's already here that's been created. We're going to go through this process again so that you can see how to use it on your end. So what we're going to do now is you're then going to click Launch Cover Creator. And what we're going to do is we're going to go backwards and we're going to click number 1. And you're going to notice that there are going to be several styles that you can use. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to choose one of the available styles. And we can either choose a non-image design or we can choose an image-based design. Now, if we choose an image-based design, we can upload images from our personal computer or from their image gallery. And for example, if we need to change the image, what we'll need to do is we can click to change the title, and we can click here to change the image in the background. And we can choose from the image gallery here or from our personal computer. If we want to change the title or the style, we can do that by clicking here. And all we'll need to do is we'll need to change the font as we see it. Once we have set the font the way we want, we can then click outside of here. Then our title will look the way we want it to look. If we want to add to this where we are the author, we can add in more. And once we have the cover looking the way we want, we can then click Save. And what we can also do is we can make changes to the colors. We can make changes to the layout. So for example, if we click Choose Layout, we can choose various layouts for this particular style. So for example, we can make the change here. We can make another change here. And however we want it to look for our particular audience, we can do that. So once we have the change the way we want, then what we'll need to do is then click Save. If we want to change the font again, we can do that. For example, if we want to change the font to something that looks like this, we can then click Save. And then, once we've made all the changes we want to make to our cover, we can then click Preview. Kindle will then update the cover and build it. Now you'll note that the image is going to be different, mainly because we had a placeholder image in here, and Amazon Kindle required that we placed our own image here, so we used an image from the image gallery, and we placed that image inside of our Kindle cover. So now what we're going to do is we'll then click Save and Submit. We're going to be asked if we want to update the information. We're then going to click Yes. Now you'll note then our file is being processed, and then our new cover is now in place. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.